Mission Robotic Vehicle 1. SpaceX successfully launched a Falcon 9 Block 5 partially reusable rocket with MRV-MEP Mission, flight number 668, from Space Launch Complex 40 at the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. This launch flew the Mission Robotic Vehicle carrying DARPA's Robotic Servicing of Geosynchronous Spacecraft, RSGS, Robotic Payload with a total mass of 3,000 kilograms, 6,614 pounds, to geosynchronous orbit. It will install 3 propulsion jet packs with a total mass of 1,200 kilograms, 2,645.55 pounds, referred to as mission extension pods, on satellites that are nearing the end of their operational lifespans. The flight took place on Tuesday, July 21, 2026, at 21 hours and 15 minutes Coordinated Universal Time, or at 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The Falcon 9 first stage booster, tail number B1069, was expended on this mission. Mission Robotic Vehicle is a satellite servicing payload being built by the Northrop Grumman-owned company Space Logistics. It is designed to attach up to 30 mission extension pods to satellites in a geosynchronous orbit over the course of its life. Mission extension pods are 400 kg, 882 pound, spacecraft designed to be captured by the Mission Robotic Vehicle and then attached to a customer's satellite. A single mission extension pod can extend a 2,000 kg, 4,409 pound, satellite service life by up to 6 years. 2 of the mission extension pods will service satellites for Intelsat, while the third will service a satellite for Optus.